Ahoy there, shipmates! Welcome back to What Sailors Say, where we lift the lid, tie it to a mast, and throw it overboard because sailors and the truth, they're like oil and water, mostly floating around separately. Sailors have a unique way of looking at the world, and their sayings are as colourful as a sunset at sea. Today's topic, ship happens. And trust me, when it does, sailors have a few things to say about it, usually right before everything catches fire. So batten down the hatches and get ready for some nautical nonsense. When a sailor says the weather looks fine, cancel Christmas.
Little bit breezy, maybe a drizzle.
And if you hear we'll dodge the storm, that's sailor speak for Mother Nature is about to slap us so hard we'll invent a new religion.
Clear skies ahead means batten down the hatches, it's about to get wild.
And just a light mist translates to prepare for a monsoon.
Mild swells is sailor code for hold onto your hats, we're in for a roller coaster.
So next time you hear a sailor's forecast, well, you know what to expect. Lost? Oh good. Ask a sailor for directions.
Go forward past the bulkhead, second hatch left, climb up the monkey ladder, past the bilge pump, turn starboard at the mess deck. Can't miss it.
Or head aft until you see the big red valve, shimmy down the rope ladder, take a right at the galley, then a left at the brig, and if you hit the anchor chain, you've gone too far.
Alternatively, just follow the smell of the chow line, take a sharp port at the lifeboats, and when you see the captain's parrot, you're almost there.
Result. Helpful tip. If you're not issued a compass, emergency rations, and a flare gun, you're not finding that bar. Sailors love their food, probably because their standards dropped off the side of the ship about 5 ports ago.
It's gourmet, mate. Fresh catch.
Translation, fresh catch. Of the freezer section, deck 4. And if you hear, tonight's stew has a bit of everything, say goodbye to your internal organs.
Ah, the mystery meat special. It's like playing Russian roulette with your taste buds.
And don't forget the chef's surprise. A dish so surprising, even the chef doesn't know what's in it.
Just one drink on shore leave? Yeah, about that.
One drink, nice and civilized.
Reality, the International Incident Starter Pack.
New sailors get a tattoo. Veteran sailors wake up with a goat called Steve and no idea which country they're in.
And let's not forget the time we tried to smuggle a parrot on board. Named it Captain Squawk.
Or when someone thought it was a good idea to challenge the locals to a dance-off. Spoiler, it wasn't.
Shore leave plans, where chaos meets comedy.
Yeah, she's sound.
If by sound you mean held together by optimism, barnacles and duct tape.
And a prayer or two.
Don't forget the chewing gum.
Sailors have a knack for creative fixes. Emergency drills are important, apparently.
This is not a drill. Repeat, not a drill, unless it is.
Quick, everyone grab a rubber ducky and head to the lifeboats.
Remember, in case of fire, stop, drop, and dance.
Helpful, real helpful. Here's a handy translation guide. What they say versus what they mean. It's just a squall. This means Category 7 end of days event. We'll be back on schedule. Really means technically true next month. She handles like a dream. In English means nightmare. It's a nightmare. We're nearly there. Translated means you're closer to Mars than land. The weather looks fine. Actually means prepare for a hurricane. We're making good time. In land talk means we're hopelessly lost. Just a minor repair. Is sailor code for we need a miracle. And the classic.
Relax, it's under control.
So next time you're at sea and a sailor flashes that cheeky grin and says, "No worries, mate," remember, you are officially worried. Yeah, and if they say it's just a little squall, brace yourself for a tempest. Like, subscribe, and remember, ship happens! Turn your notifications on. It's gonna get rough. Stay anchored, stay safe, and keep laughing. Catch you on the next voyage.